The sickening is in full effect today. Well, one good thing is that a good friend, Stefan von Queek, is about to come over, and this is a long-awaited meeting. We've been meaning to have this meeting for months now, and he's about to go on vacation, made an exception, was like, let's finally have this meeting. So I'm excited. He's coming over in less than 30 minutes. That means I have to run and get some groceries because that long weekend, nothing was open and now my fridge is completely empty. So I should really go run and get something for us to enjoy during this meeting. These are my run and get it done shoes. Everybody has a pair of those shoes that are just like, they shouldn't even be shoes anymore because they're so beat up, but they just work somehow. Yeah, those are these. About to get groceries. So one of my event partners for the Secret Silent concert that I've been running here, I just did one like last month. So one of the event organizers thinks that we should have the next one on a Sunday. And the venue, I gotta tell you, it's like insanely cool. But the thing about it is, a Sunday, like, I feel like the venue is so cool that it needs to be like a raging weekend party. And I really, like, it'll be more exciting for me to promote something like that versus like a Sunday slow kind of concert thing. I feel like Sunday is really a family day and people are not really tied to any kind of plans on a Sunday. So I don't know, I have my reservations about it. I kind of intuitively, it's not really feeling quite like a sure thing. So I just told him that and we'll see what happens. But I would love to do another Secret Silent concert this month of April. So we'll see what happens. We will see. Adventures in the German supermarket. So far I took 2 Dayquils, and hopefully the sickening can be curbed a bit. So far it's starting to kick in, I think, because my throat doesn't hurt as bad. So, onward. That's the Jewish Museum. I've been living across the street from it for about 3 years now, almost, and I still haven't gone. And I heard they have really, really cool exhibits and everything, and I think it's just one of those things where it's so close you just never find the time to go. But yeah, this summer I would love to, actually. This is the friend I was mentioning. Hey,
hi guys.
Stefan. Yeah, he's an art and business consultant that helps artists to stop being poor. He's a really great group on Facebook.
We try. I think artists should start thinking a little bit more like entrepreneurs and a little bit less as reclusive artists. And if everything goes well with this secret evil meeting that we just had, we might see some stuff help both of these sides pretty soon, so stay tuned.
Exactly. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. He's about to go on vacation, and I'm about to get on with my workday. But yeah, that's what's happening on this end, and then we have Alex over there working on some video stuff. So it's just a digital office up in here today. Finally, it is warm enough to be outside on the balcony. Yay! Got some planting to do. The parsley survived the whole winter, which was really nice. And all the kids are outside again. Where did they go? They were just there. Funny thing about being a freelancer or self-employed or a digital entrepreneur is that there's just always something for you to do. And right now I am writing a blog post talking about the planner, things that I learned while making the #Hero Planner. And I'm also researching creating a really cool giveaway. So I wanted to host a giveaway on Instagram, and I'll probably host one as well in my mastermind group on Facebook, the #Hero Mastermind. And so I'm just like doing some research for that. And while writing this blog post, yeah, I just remembered how the process of making the planner and everything like that, and it's just so funny to see how far it's come And the fun fact that it actually was born out of a challenge that I hosted on my website called the 90 Days of Small Victories Challenge. And so, yeah, it just was so interesting that it came about from a challenge and like now it's a real thing. And I just think it's so cool. And I just wanted to come on here and be like, hey guys, definitely don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Like if you do, you'd be surprised what can come of it. Like if you actually follow through with it and go for whatever it is you're trying to go for. And now, you know, like from that one challenge, like using the planner, if you actually get to use it, it's like that just keeps giving more. You know what I mean? Like now other people can plan their days and their quarter better than they were before. So I would just say definitely invest in challenges, you know, and they cost nothing to do, just a little bit of determination, you know. So yep, working on that blog post, and I'm excited to jump back into writing posts. Yeah, guys, so I started the day with the sickening that's been happening, and it has now gotten to the point where I am actively creating a giant cauldron full of soup here to try to cure myself of the sickening. Anything that I can possibly do, I'm working at it. Alex was so kind enough to get me some cough drops, and now I'm here cutting up some celery, and I'm making this cold busting, what is it called? Cold busting ginger soup, ginger chicken noodle soup. So I'm making this, and I found it, it's on all recipes. I'll post it in the description, but I've used this soup like anytime I've gotten sick in the past, and it has helped. At least I remember one time very specifically, like I almost was getting sick. I did this soup and it was gone. Like it really went away, and I was like, what? I'm keeping this recipe forever. So this is the recipe that I go to whenever I'm sick, and anytime I've tried a variation of it, it just isn't as good. So I recommend going with the actual recipes, with the actual like quantities and stuff like that. So I've basically just done the exact recipe. So I'm fingers crossing that the sickening will not be happening tomorrow. So we'll see. Aside from that, it was a good day, a good adventurous day. Really more so like a mental adventurous day. Just having all these mastermind meetings and everything like that. I hung out with Carrie earlier on Skype. She's all the way in Canada. Toronto's favorite Brooklyn girl. How much fun is that? She's like my accountability partner. We team up every week and chat about our progress and stuff. Stefan Van Queek came over. You guys saw him. There's just so much going on now, and the next few days, weeks. Thanks guys for joining in on day 2 of the hashtag Hero Vlogs. Yay! And yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, definitely subscribe. This is a channel all about personal development and social impacts. Check out my latest planner, which you'll probably see in a few moments. And yeah, I'm looking forward to catching you guys on the flip. So this has been Super Ivy, the hashtag hero out. Definitely check out the hashtag hero planner. I just created it, and it's designed to help you achieve your unique social impact goals in a creative and fun way. You can find the link in the description. See you tomorrow.